We look at ETFs as just another means of access into the capital markets for investors. And particularly with ETFs, it gives more opportunity for individual investors to gain access into not only the capital markets, but also PIMCO's style of active management. We want to continue to go down that path so that investors have a choice between a mutual fund or an ETF. There are certain kinds of investors who prefer mutual funds for certain reasons, and others who would prefer some of the attributes that an ETF offers. And we want to be able to respond to both of those sources of interest and demand for our products. I wouldn't say that there's a structural advantage of one versus the other. Obviously, there's some clear attributes. A mutual fund, for example, you trade once a day at the stated net asset value, whereas an ETF has continuous trading. ETFs in some dimensions can be a little bit more tax efficient than a mutual fund for an individual investor. They also, just broadly, the ETF marketplace allows advisors perhaps to tailor portfolios for their clients with a little bit more precision than a mutual fund would. So again, there are reasons and rationales for both mutual funds and ETFs, and there's certainly room in the marketplace for both structures.